And well, now India's Foreign Minister Sushma Swaraj is speaking. Let's listen in.
At the inaugural session of the 4th Raisina Dialogue, I express our heartfelt appreciation to Prime Minister Solberg for an inspiring inaugural address. Friends, the visit of Prime Minister Solberg to India underlines the multifaceted and forward-looking partnership between our two nations. Together, we are working in areas critical to our overall socio-economic development, including hydropower, clean energy, shipbuilding, petroleum-related services, and IT services. We also have a shared interest in the sustainable use of ocean resources for growth of our economies and protection of the maritime environment for future generations. Friends, this year, the theme for the Raisina Dialogue has been designed to focus on innovative solutions and partnerships as a response to the transitions we are witnessing all around us. It is inspired by unique ideas, leaders, and technologies which are triggering major changes in the international system. Madam Prime Minister, your address has provided a valuable perspective on these issues, setting the stage for discussions on innovative solutions to the most pressing challenges of our times. Friends, in the past 4 years, the Raisina Dialogue has grown in stature as well as in profile. This dialogue brings together political leaders, strategic thinkers, businesses, and academics on a common platform to share their vision and propose solutions that will serve us all in the decades ahead. I'm happy to note that this year we have the widest ever spread of participation with over 600 delegates from 93 countries. I would like to thank our Prime Minister Modi ji for joining us in this inaugural session. His presence will provide inspiration and direction to the dialogue as we discuss ideas for peaceful and prosperous common future. I would also like to thank the Observer Research Foundation, who have most ably partnered the Ministry of External Affairs in this endeavor. I also welcome and thank all distinguished speakers gathered here from different parts of the world. I'm confident that your deliberations will yield a wealth of fresh ideas and insights to face our common challenges. Last but not the least, an event like this is only as good as its audience. My deep appreciation to all those who will be joining us and witnessing this dialogue, whether at this venue or online. Thank you. Dhanyavad.
All right, Foreign Minister Sushma Swaraj, they're speaking at that conference where several world foreign dignitaries are there, also secretaries of state, and of course the guest of honor at that being the Prime Minister of Norway, who spoke a short while ago as well.